Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve the last question of exercise number 10.2, that is question number 13. Okay. In this question we have given a quadrilateral and a circle. Okay. Quadrilateral is circumscribing the circle and we have to prove the opposite sides of a quadrilateral subtends सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स एट द सेंटर. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो ऑपोजिट साइड है, ये जो ऑपोजिट साइड है दैट इज ए बी एंड सी डी. ये जो दो साइड सेंटर ओ पे जो दो एंगल सबटेंड करता है, जो एंगल दो बनाते हैं, दैट मीन्स ए ओ बी, ये वाला एंगल and COD, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180. Similarly, angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. ये हमको प्रूफ करना है, isn't it? So students, I have given names of the angle forms by after joining OA, OB, OC, OD, and these are the another angles formed by joining OP, OR, OQ and OS. I have given different names 1 to 8. 8 angles are formed. Okay. Students, one more thing we know that sum of the angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. That is, complete angle is 360 degree. That means angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 360 degree. Isn't it? Okay. So first of all, our duty is to write what is given. Given a quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribing a circle with center O. Clear? To prove angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree and angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. These two things we have to prove. Okay. Now, construction. Join OP, OQ, OR and OS. OP, OQ, OR and OS. Clear? Now, proof. Students, see, when two tangents are drawn from an external point to the circle, the lengths of these two tangents will be equal. That means BP and BQ are equal, CQ is equal to CR, DR is equal to DS and AS is equal to AP. Clear? See, if we take these two triangles, we'll write in triangle OBP and triangle OBQ. What we have? We have OP is equal to OQ because both are the radius. OP is equal to OQ equal radii. Clear? OB is equal to OB, common side. And third thing, BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. Tangents of equal length. Therefore, by SSS congruency, triangle OBP is congruent to triangle OBQ. Is it? When two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding parts of these two congruent triangles will be equal. This implies angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Clear? Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, we can prove. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6 and angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Clear? Now, what we do? See students, I have told that angle around a point is 360 degree. We'll write here from figure we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 360. Clear? Now, students, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that means in place of 2 we can write angle 1 or angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 1 plus, see angle 3 is equal to angle 4, so we can write angle 4 in place of angle 3, angle 4 plus angle 4 plus, similarly we can write angle 5 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 degree. Clear? We can take equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we can write here from 1 and 2. Got it? Now here 2 angle 1, 2 angle 4, 2 angle 5, 2 angle 8. Okay, so we can take 2 common, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 degree, or angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. We can write because we will divide by 2. See students, here angle 1 and angle 8 will become angle AOB. समझ आ रहा है? Angle 1 and angle 8, these two is equal to the sum of these two angles is equal to angle AOB, and angle 4 plus angle 5 has the sum of is equal to sum of these two angles is equal to DOC or COD. Clear? So we can take here, or angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree, and in place of angle 1 plus angle 5 we can write Yes, sorry, angle 1 plus angle 8, sorry, angle 1 plus angle 8 and angle 4 plus angle 5. Okay, in place of angle 1 and angle 8 we can write angle AOB. This implies angle AOB plus angle, in place of angle 4 plus 5 we can write angle COD. COD is equal to 180 degree. This is what we have to prove. Angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove, what we can prove? Angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. So we can write here, hence proved. Clear, students? So students, pause the video to be noted down.